Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Emily and I am a second year medical student studying at the University of Birmingham. I vlog every week of my medical school journey as well as some med student tips, reset videos, gym content and so much more. There is something for everyone here on my channel, so subscribe below to stick around and I hope you enjoy the video.
Okay, so while I'm awake and human and not stressed or tired or crying or all of the above, I just wanted to touch a little bit about what exam season did to me and my mental health right about now, because I'm going to show you the state of my room, the state of my kitchen, the state of the bathroom, the state I have been living in for the past 3-4 weeks since I got back from Christmas, because exam season has meant library to desk to study room to med school to main library to home, and all I've been doing is studying and sleeping and eating, and I haven't cleaned, I haven't washed up, I haven't tidied my room, I haven't organised, and I hate every second of that. I wish that I was living the life that I wanted to live, but obviously exam season turned me into a depressed, sad, crying ball of mess. The only thing that I managed to keep up with over exam season was showering, because I always shower before an exam or when I get stressed. So I'm going to, in this video, do a clean with me, and you can watch how I cleaned my whole house and organised my room and rearranged things to make my space more me again, because I feel right now like I'm living in a hellhole or a pit of doom or a pit of despair. The bins haven't been taken out in weeks, the washing up hasn't been done, and I literally have no clean cutlery left. I haven't done any washing, my washing basket is empty, and I think that's because my clothes are all over the floor. I've had washing on my drying rack for a week and a half that I haven't put away. I just need to get things done. I need to get on top of things. So that is what this video is about, me catching up and cleaning and being on top of my life. But obviously it starts now.
The first place that in my house that I wanted to do was the bathroom, because the shower curtain and the mould all around the bath and all over the things, just everything, it was getting really out of hand. There was bottles and scissors and soap everywhere, and I was just like, I need to get this clean. So here's a look at the mould. I don't believe it looked much better when I had finished, but the stuff that was in the bath itself had gone. The bleach that I used and the mold spray I used said to put something over the top, and I then used some unblocker in the drain, which did work really well because I had a shower and it didn't fill up. I then wiped down all the surfaces in the bathroom, put away all the bottles, and made it as clean as possible. This was definitely needed, it was quite bad, and I washed the shower curtain twice. Eventually, it did get a lot better. There's still a little bit of mould on there, but not as much as there was before. And then it became time to tackle the mess that I had left in my bedroom, because my bedroom became a pit of despair during my exam season. There was just stuff everywhere, dirty clothes everywhere, and I just had to get it started. So I wanted to talk you through how I clean my bedroom. Step one of cleaning my bedroom is, first I'm going to open those curtains and let in some light, turn the light off. And then I'm going to do my bed, because the first and foremost thing is I want to get my bedding changed and in the wash with my fluffy blanket, because it needs doing, and I want to get my bed all nice whilst they're in the wash with a new set of bedding. Although this seems a bit backwards, I always make my bed first, because it just makes my room feel a bit more put together, and then I can put everything on my bed as I go. I really just like to get this done, and putting on a new set of bedding is always a good idea. It always is just a bit refreshing. So I put on this new set of bedding and put on a new fluffy blanket while my other one was in the wash. But once the bedding's done, I have to put on all my fluffy pillows. As you'll notice, I have this white one as well. So I put my 2 white ones on the sofa and my 2 grey ones on my bed. So the bed is made. I'm loving it. Now, the next thing I do is I get everything off of the floor and off of my desk, and I put it all on the bed. Everything off my bedside table, all on the bed. Just so I have everything there. And then I'll sort through everything, decide where it belongs, if it goes in the wash, if it goes back in the drawer, if it needs a home, anything like that. And I'll sort that all from the bed, because it's way quicker and way easier. Now, when I say throw everything on my bed, I mean quite literally throw everything on my bed. Everything off all the surfaces that doesn't belong there, anything that is on the floor, all the dirty washing, and throw every single piece of it on the bed, anything that shouldn't be where it is right then and there. Then the next step is to sort it out. So I went through, and the majority of it was washing, so that was quite easy. So I put my wash basket on the floor and just sorted into darks, colours, and lights. And then other things like tissue boxes, I opened them and put them where they belong because I bought new ones because I ran out. And the ones that I was using in my room are the ones that go in our living room. And then just sorting through things, putting them back where they belong is really important to just get as much sorted as possible in this stage of things. And once I had done that, I sprayed my bed with this little fabric air freshener to clean it and just make it a little bit more fresh. Now that everything off the bed is away, my room actually looks really clean, like basically almost done. The only thing left to do is like hoover, but I'm not going to do that right now because we're about to tutor in like 10-15 minutes. But yeah, basically my room's almost done. I did want to rearrange some of the drawers stuff though, so I probably will be doing that because stuff isn't fitting where it's gone. Like these drawers over here, like this one, if I pull it out, you can see barely anything, but actually there's meant to be the socks in here and they're actually underneath the skirts and trousers that are in here. So I'm going to try and move these, which is the organisation I need to get done. Also, like my wardrobe, oop, that thing just fell out, see? It just needs sorting. Because like, what is this? This is not okay. So that's what I'm going to do, I think, sort out the drawers and organise again. It's the problem, I keep buying clothes and they don't fit. This is the last pile to sort through, so I'm just going to move that, and then get this on hangers in the wardrobe and back in the drawers, because currently all those are empty. So, I have bags, shoes, my curling iron, and a couple of things from prison that I haven't got rid of. All my clothes, we've got dresses, posh and normal, placement clothes, a little damp bag with a lavender bag to make it smell nice in here, empty hangers, long sleeve tops, short sleeve tops, and spare trouser hangers. And in the top we have games, damp stuff and lavender bags, toothbrushes and going home, hats and things. I did find this, and then some games and some more stuff from prison because apparently I have a problem. My bed all made again. This is a pile to give away. This is a pile to go under the stairs. That's to get washed. But everything's nice and clean and tidy. And I do have to try and make this fit now, but we'll worry about that in a minute. And it all fits now. Shaken back is down. I'm going to quickly hoover that up. I left it for a bit while I was waiting. The next stage of cleaning is the kitchen, and this was actually really bad. Like, just look at how much washing up I had. It was actually really, really, really bad. I had no cutlery left and no plates left. It was getting really bad. So my housemate actually did all the washing up. That was his part of cleaning, and I just wanted to make sure all the sides were clear and wiped down, so that's the bit I did. And I did wipe down all the sides. He was making food whilst I was filming this clip, but all the washing up's done, the sink's clean. It looked gorgeous. Like, look at that, it's white again. So I just watched the clip where I finished cleaning and I told you all about it, but I just wanted to finish that clip off a little bit better because I've changed the way I'm updating and uploading these videos. So this clean with me is actually coming out before my exam season vlog because my exam season vlog is so long right now. It's taking me ages to edit and there's no way it's going to be out on time. So I wanted to share this clean with me before I upload the exam season vlog. So next week, come back and it'll be my exam season vlog where you'll watch a week and a half in my life rather than a normal week. And then the week after that will be a reset with me, what I'm doing to reset after exams, how I'm having fun after exams and enjoying my life basically. And one of those was actually this wash and blow dry, which you can't see as well from this angle because I'm like turned awkwardly. But yeah, I got my hair done. And there's so much to think about like in that video, so come back next week to see my exam season and the week after to see how I'm enjoying my life post exams. Bye.